take you through the tunnel structure of the King Eddy.
It's a trip, isn't it?
Oh, it's wonderful.
Yeah, that was the coolest part of this bar.
Yeah, that you could just come in and you could buy. I remember a guy, he had birds, and he used to always come with his birds and smoke back there. They were on his little cart.
Kim, when you started doing
Yeah.
this tour, this bar was open.
This bar was open, and we used to come in here
used to
on.
come in here and
Yeah,
have a beer.
people loved it.
Oh, yeah.
And yell "Viva Bandini."
Yeah.
That's what we used to do. Okay, so we're just up here in the King Edward, a ghost bar, which is available if someone wants to open a bar, and I'd like you to do so. So please keep that in mind. There's a lot of racy art here. Oh, hello. Are you in the bathroom?
I haven't been in this bathroom in a long time.
Yeah, well, welcome back. Old friends. If you want to open a bar, this is a bar that needs opening. Oh, what'd you find down there?
Nothing. I'm just looking at everything that's broken and trying to figure out. So when?
Oh, I think some stuff fell from the ceiling. There must have been a little bit of a leak up there. You know, listen, look at the height of the original ceiling. Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So this is what it was like when it was brand new.
Yeah.
This could be restored.
So I think it really felt like it was the end. You know, they didn't have a bouncer at the door, like telling people to get out or you can't come in.
How did you know that you were safe?
Because when you came in here, it just had that vibe. I think it's been around for so long that like any riffraff off the street just knew that they couldn't.
Oh, I saw a young woman pass out over there, and everybody surrounded her to protect her. They're like, no predators are getting anywhere near her.
Yeah.
And then they said, honey, don't drink that much. You can't handle your liquor.
It had an aura around it where they didn't need to have security standing up front keeping people out. Every word on the street was like, don't go in the King Eddy and cause trouble.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go downstairs now. And I want to thank you all for being respectful of this space, which is a true time capsule. And hopefully you can come and drink here soon. But we're going to go back down the stairs at Richard's behest. De pronto. Thank you so much. Anyone else in there? Huh?
Nope.
Okay, here we go. It's nice to be back. Spirits with spirits. Memories of the old King Edward in the smoking cage. And down we go. Special can. And well shot. $11? That's a lot for the King Eddy. All right, Richard wants us to go down. Let's head down.
So this is a surprise for me.
Isn't this
I
nice?
Yeah, I didn't know that was going to be this much.
Yeah.
That we would get to see this.
I hope you enjoy it. This place was so beautiful before they quote unquote fixed it up. But you know, it's got another incarnation coming.
Someone needs to bring it back and keep the history alive.
Spread the word. And now we're going into the speakeasy proper, but I don't know if you're allowed to go, or do you know the secret word? There's Los Angeles straight up there.
No, it's okay. It's still like that. Kim, let's go.
Last call. Bye-bye.
All right, Kim, quickly in the tunnel.
Okay, tunnels. I can do it.
You know.
Thanks, Richard. Whoa. Oh, sweetie.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so Kim, everyone's going to follow Kim. I'm going to set this up. We're going to walk through the tunnel. So this was part of the tunnels that ran from Alameda all the way at the river to the east, all the way to Pershingford. They were service tunnels. They provided cold water and cold air for all the businesses. Kim,
Yes?
take the microphone and start walking.
I don't have to carry the PA, do I?
No, you don't.
Okay, so as we go, I want you to come and follow me, and you're going to look immediately to the right. You'll see some more of this beautiful speakeasy art. But I also want you to look to the left, because just on the left, there's a post, and the post is covered in chewing gum, and the chewing gum is left by the bee girls. Right here where I'm standing, just here, just inside the door, and I'm afraid to say it, these young ladies had to keep their breath fresh for their work. Just think about it. As you continue to walk through, we're going to see a place where they kept the beer cool and also where they made sandwiches. Oh, that's nice. Got a light inside, old neon signs, beer cooler, haunted lights, stolen ice water tunnel sign. Oh, the people who used to run this place took way too many things with them, and oh my goodness, here we are. Isn't that spooky? Old Christmas decorations. And here, this was used to lower things from the sidewalk, like heavy beer barrels of the type that you see in the building. So that is a little hidden bit of the speakeasy. Formerly the office here. And a very important vista, because this is where the stairs led off. And so if somebody were to come down the stairs, they'd probably have to give a password right here to get inside. Watch your step.
I always thought it was like the guy from Wizard of Oz.
Yeah.
That's my door.
That's my daughter.
All right, Kim, good. All right, so this is the PA chip.
Yeah, I turned this off, sorry. All right, we're going to blast off. Thanks for joining us down in the speakeasy in honor of Arturo Bandini and John Fante. Toodaloo.